I'm Ron from Kolleno, your go-to platform for accounts receivable management, fully integrated seamlessly with NetSuite. Today we'll explore the AR register report in NetSuite. What is it? How to access it? How to go further? The AR register report lists all posting sales and payments from customers, showing assets that represent amounts owed for goods and services. It's an essential report for monitoring customer transactions. In accounting-specific reports, parentheses denotes credits, not negative numbers, while debits appear without parentheses. If you want to include information about your notes and communication sent to and received from your customers, Kolleno can help you. As well, if you want to see the raw data coming from your payment service provider, Kolleno can customize your reports based on your NetSuite custom fields. So the first thing to do is to go into Reports, Customer Receivables, AR Register. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful NetSuite tutorials. And remember that this report then is crucial for tracking customer transactions and managing receivables effectively. Stay tuned for more insights and don't forget to like the video.